Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning, afternoon, or good evening. This is another Learn to Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, this is just 1 minute, but why not grab yourself for free, completely one-to-one, 30 minutes dedicated to just you. Come over to ldlcall.com, book your slot, let's have that chat. But first, here is today's quote. Stop being afraid of what could go wrong and start getting excited about what could go right. Look, let's get to the point. Stop delaying. Stop trying to find excuses and just being afraid. Wherever you are right now, just start to do what you want to do. You are never going to be 100% ready, so why not just jump in? There is an exciting journey ahead of you and a huge adventure. So let's begin. Are you ready? Let's go. On 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go!
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.